In a significant move to enhance its defensive posture, Lithuania has finalized a €28 million agreement to acquire GROM man-portable air defense systems, MANPADS, from Poland's MESKO SA. This acquisition underscores Vilnius's strategic focus on strengthening its short-range air defense capabilities amid growing concerns over regional security near NATO's eastern borders. The purchase comes as part of Lithuania's broader military modernization effort, targeting vulnerabilities in its current air defense structure. Rather than being a routine arms deal, this procurement signals a deeper commitment to filling operational gaps in its layered defense network. With tensions along NATO's flank intensifying, the Lithuanian Ministry of Defense sees this step as a necessary reinforcement of national and alliance deterrence efforts. Developed by Polish defense manufacturer MESKO SA, the GROM is a shoulder-fired missile system designed to intercept low-altitude threats, including helicopters, drones, and close-air support jets. It operates using a 72mm solid-fuel rocket motor and a heat-seeking guidance system, capable of reaching speeds of 650 meters per second. The missile boasts a range of 5.5 kilometers and can engage targets flying at altitudes up to 3.5 kilometers. Its 1.35 kilograms warhead ensures effective neutralization of airborne targets. Initially designed in the wake of the Cold War, the GROM represents Poland's determination to develop sovereign air defense solutions competitive with Western systems like the FIM-92 Stinger. Over the years, MESKO has steadily upgraded the system's performance and reliability, enhancing its seeker technology and flight stability. The system has been widely adopted both domestically and by international partners, proving its value in a variety of operational settings. What sets the GROM apart is its blend of simplicity and effectiveness. The system is engineered for rapid deployment by infantry units, providing tactical anti-air capabilities without reliance on large or expensive platforms. Compared to older Soviet-era systems still found in some Eastern European arsenals, the GROM delivers superior precision, improved electronic systems, and enhanced battlefield flexibility. For Lithuania, the inclusion of GROM systems fills a critical niche, countering low-flying and slow-moving aerial threats, particularly unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. Its user-friendly operation means that frontline units gain immediate anti-air functionality, enhancing both peacetime readiness and wartime resilience. Beyond its operational merits, this arms deal is a clear signal of Lithuania's dedication to NATO's collective defense principles. By investing in interoperable, cost-efficient technologies like GROM, Lithuania strengthens its role in the broader defensive fabric of the Baltic region. This procurement also reinforces military-industrial collaboration with Poland, one of the region's most advanced defense producers. The acquisition comes at a time when Lithuania is rapidly expanding its air defense inventory. Alongside high-end systems such as NASAMS and IRIS-T-SLM, the addition of GROM illustrates a deliberate strategy to create a multi-tiered defense network capable of responding to a wide range of aerial threats. This mix of sophisticated long-range systems and mobile, soldier-operated solutions provides a flexible toolkit for modern air warfare. By partnering with Poland's MESKO, Lithuania not only secures a battle-proven weapon but also deepens regional cooperation in defense procurement. In doing so, Vilnius aligns itself with NATO's vision of increasing self-reliance and regional interoperability within the alliance. The GROM deal, therefore, is not just a missile purchase, it's a message of strategic intent and collective resolve in an increasingly contested security environment.